Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make tracing letters for kindergarten in Microsoft Word. So we'll need two fonts for that. So for that, just go and open a browser and type here the first font name, which is Cody Star. So this is the official site from Google Fonts and the font is from the genuine site. So this is a font. Just click on get font now. Here click on download all, and yeah, the font is now downloaded. It's time for the second font, and the name of the second font is KG primary dot. Here it is, and this is now available on dafont.com, and this is also the official site from where you can get a lot of fonts, and this font is one of them which people generally use to create tracing letters. Now if I click on download, the font will get downloaded. Now we have downloaded both of our fonts and it's time to install them. So for that, look into the folder where you have downloaded the fonts. These are two here, you can see. I'll just install the first one. So for that, hit right click on the font. Here you need to look for the option extract all. Click on extract all here. Now again do the same thing with the another font. Hit extract all, click on extract. Now open extracted folder of the font. Double click on this kind of folders, click on install. Now this font is installed. Just click on the second one, click on install, close this. Now we'll do with this KG primary dots font. So here you have like 4 fonts. You can install one of them, and also you can install 4 of this. Like I'll just install all of them. So I'll just click on install, and similar thing I'll do with all of them. And yeah, now we have installed all of our fonts and it's time to test them. So for that, just open a Word document and select the text. Right here in the font, we need to look for our first font, which was by the name of Cody Star. Here it is. Now it's time for the second font, and the name of the font was KG primary dot, and it should be under K section. Okay, here it is. And this form specially comes with 4 variants: this variant, this one, and the last one, which you can just choose accordingly. And also you can just type anything you want. The font will be typed as tracing letters. Like if I type here subscribe, here you can see. And yeah guys, it is that simple to make tracing letters for kindergarten in Microsoft Word. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.